Hi everyone, welcome back to the Naio Nails channel. Today we're going to be creating a little 3D snowman. First we're going in with Serious Black as the base. Just popping a thin layer of this down before putting it in the lamp for 60 seconds. Now I'm going in with the blue chrome pigment powder. Just buffing it into that cured black gel polish. I'm now just sealing all this in with a top coat. This just prevents you from removing any of the chrome when doing your design. Now this is one of our brand new products. This is a nail tip adhesive gel, but it can also be used as a 3D gel. Pop it in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. Now I'm taking Snow White and I'm just going to be painting this over those two little 3D blobs. You can start to see it's coming together now. Now I'm taking Cyanide, and with this we're going to give our snowman a little scarf. Now I'm taking Mulled Wine. And just to add some little extra details to our snowman's scarf, I'm going to draw some tiny little lines across it to give it a striped effect. I'm now taking Serious Black again. And with the dotting tool we're going to give our snowman some little eyes. And his buttons down his body. I've chosen the colour Jaffa Cake to give him his little carrot nose. Using a dotting tool to place where I want it to be, and painting a tiny little triangle with one of our tiny little fine liner brushes. And of course we can't forget his little top hat. Now I'm taking Snow White on a dotting tool and just randomly putting some little dots around just so it looks like snowfall. In again with Snow White, and I'm creating little snow dunes so it looks like he's kind of stood on a snowy background. And curing that for 60 seconds. Now top coat your whole design. Now I'm going to go back in with Snow White. And I'm just painting this over where we've done the snowy background for the snowman to stand on. And do not cure this layer. We're going to go in with crystal clear acrylic powder. And I'm going to sprinkle this over the wet, uncured Snow White gel polish. This is going to give us a raised 3D effect and make it look like it's actual snow on the nail. And now I'm taking a dotting tool and just adding some texture into that snow. And curing for 60 seconds, brushing off any of that excess acrylic powder. And there we go, that is our little 3D snowman tutorial. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you next time.